Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. My name is Tenysiah, if you guys already forgotten. And if you guys are new, hey, join the family. And today I'm gonna be creating this cute golden look with a pop of blue in there. So if you want to see how I did all this, then just keep watching the video. Oh, and please guys, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I'm gonna use today, well, they're not really palettes, they're like mini palettes. This one is a blue that I'm gonna use to pop in. And then I'm gonna use this one, the Tenysiah, I think it's what it's called. But it's small, it's compact, but I like the nude shimmers that it has in there. So that's how I'm feeling. So first thing I'm going to do is take this neutral color and just kind of fill up and crease with it. So yes guys, like I was saying before, the reason that I've been MIA so much is, well, we had a family vacation to Mexico for about 25 days. And it was really amazing. I'm so glad that we went on this trip and we decided to finally do it. And yeah, I can't wait to go back again. Probably next time without the kids, because we kind of need a vacation for ourselves. But yeah, it was an adventure. There was never a dull moment. Like, I don't even think we slept in once while we were on the trip. I mean, it's pretty hard with the baby and everything, but there was just so much stuff going on, so much family to meet, so many places to go. Then I moved to this really gold color here. I'm gonna try and take quite a bit because, you know, shimmer colors, they either show a lot or they don't. And I know it looks crazy right now, but give me a second. It's all gonna work out, and you're gonna see how easy this look is and how pretty it is. And it's literally super fast. Yeah. If you guys see her right now, she's so big. My baby got so big since we went to Mexico. So yeah, now I'm taking that blue and another brush, and I'm gonna pop it in. Guys, you only need 3 brushes for this. And that blue really shows. It really shows. Come through with that blue. Come through with that blue. From the beginning, I'm gonna go back in that brown. In my last video, I was talking about kind of how nervous I was gonna be because nobody in the family speaks English, everybody speaks Spanish. What am I gonna do? And I was surprised, like, I mean, the first couple of days was a little bit like being shy and all that, but it was really surprising how fast I got familiar with the language and was actually able to understand what people were saying. Not necessarily speak back, but I was understanding everything that was being said. So guys, here I'm just lining my lips with my Annabelle Espresso lip liner. That's my go-to lip liner. As you guys know, I always use it. That's not gonna change. And after that, I'm gonna throw on some gold shimmery lipstick. It's no brand specifically. I don't even think it has a brand. It's just some random lipstick. I don't know where I got it from. After that, I'm gonna take my Estate lip gloss and I'm gonna put that over just to give it some dimension, some shine. And the color that it is Drip. Yeah, it's Drip. So So I'm going into one of my favorites right now. I absolutely love this highlighter. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome. The shade is 100, and I love this highlighter. It's so pretty. You can put like a light layer on, or you can kind of like really go for it. Like, it's really, I love this highlighter. Like, it's just perfect on my skin tone. And like, I don't know if it shows that well on camera, but in person though, it's just like, I put a little bit on and everybody's like, whoa, you know, like, you look like you just came from the tropics, you know, because the skin is just glowing. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm just gonna put another layer of mascara, and that's pretty much it. We're done. This look was very easy to make. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.